What's up, guys? I'm back again with another one. As you know, on the previous video I mentioned that I had a little bit of an accident whereby someone drove over a stone that jumped and smashed my glass. Well, in about a few minutes they will be here to do the installation. Finally, after a couple of days, I'm done with the insurance, and then the people are coming here to install. So now let's continue. This is the glass, and this is what I wanted. Original glass from Hyundai. Okay. Yeah. Hey, Brayaga. So if neki busi iliso nowera halang. Neyowa. Oh, okay. Yeah. So kirile pila kasi bule ne? Oh, okay. Okay. Eish, ya khobetsi yo. Yes. Mara, because of the smash and grab, it's still intact.
Yeah, that's why
Yeah. Yeah, this glass was really broken. I wonder what they're going to do with it now. But that smash and grab is very strong. It's still holding it. You know, it's still there. The only broken part is at the bottom where it's not there. And the new glass is here. Original from Hyundai. Okay. So in order for them to do their job in peace, I stopped filming because I didn't want to be all over the case while they're doing the job. I didn't want them to make mistakes and blame me at the end, so I stopped filming. And also I want to explain something to you. I am going to make another video where I'm going to be explaining my experience with the insurance, the broker, and the service provider, which is called DGC Glass. Guys, things are better out there. Okay, stay tuned for that video. It's going to be tough. In peace. Okay guys, as you can see from here, from where I'm standing, the rear glass is dark, the front one is very much light, which means it's a new glass. Yeah, they finally came and installed the glass. Yeah, finally it's here, installed and functioning properly. So now let's check it out from both angles. As you can see here as well, all clear. And then as you can see, I wanted an original glass from Hyundai. They wanted to install a replica. I refused and they told me no. Then it means I'll have to wait for 3 weeks, and I'm like, it's impossible. Go to Hyundai, go and get a glass. And then yeah, I gave them the contact details of Hyundai Centurion. They go and got the glass because they're claiming that their suppliers will deliver in in about 3 weeks, which was nonsense according to me. Okay, I'm in the car right now. It's hot in here. I'm not gonna fire the engine up, but just turn on the car so that the aircon can be on. You know what? Let's just fire the engine on. Yeah. So now this is the glass, all perfect and clear. And then I'm gonna test it for the first time, because for the second time, because the first time it was them when they were done. So bring this down a little bit, just mute the volume over there, and then yeah, let's roll it down. Okay, perfect. Put it up the same way again. Okay, now I'm just gonna press once and then see if it's still gonna go down on its own. Nice. Up again. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy. Switch off the engine. I'm happy with the glass. Yeah, at least I've got the glass that I wanted. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, this happened on Tuesday. What date was the Tuesday? Was it the 16th? I think, no, it wasn't the 16th. Was it the 20th? I can't remember. But on the next video, I'm going to be detailing my experience with the insurance, because the experience with the insurance wasn't good. I'm insured by King Price, but the service that I got was not acceptable. I had to fight for this to be fitted today. I had to fight for me to get an original glass because they wanted to give me a replica. So stay tuned, subscribe for the next video, where I'm going to be talking about my experience with the insurance, and then you will take it from there. You will see, you will decide if you want to use an insurance or use King Price or any insurance. But after the kind of service I received from King Price and their service provider, big up to my broker. I never spoke to the insurance. I've been communicating with the broker, and then the broker did their part very well, but the insurance and the service provider were failing me. Otherwise, stay tuned, subscribe, and see you on the next one.